Hello again, supply chain professionals. This is Jeff Miller with Supply Chain Now. If you're discussing factory performance and how to improve it, you're probably hearing the term OEE. OEE stands for Overall Equipment Effectiveness. It is one of the most prevalent performance metrics for factory equipment, work cells, and production lines. Why is OEE one of the leading metrics? Because it uses directly measured performance data and normalizes it into a single value from 0, no production, to 1, perfect production. Whether a plant produces potato chips or pressure vessels, OEE provides a score which can be used to benchmark, compare, and measure improvement progress in absolute terms. Most important, OEE uses actionable metrics that support lean, Kaizen, and other improvement programs. In its simplest form, OEE is the numerical product of availability times performance times quality. Availability is the percentage of its scheduled time that the machine, cell, or line operates, also known as uptime. Performance is the production rate as a percentage of designed throughput. And quality is the percentage of good parts produced on first pass or first pass yield. That means a factory asset, cell, or line with perfect uptime operating at designed throughput, delivering perfect yield has an OEE of 1. How are your factory's assets performing?